we will be in like we are doing juice diet. We did attend, me and Deepak Bhai, quite a few with the Chauhan Sahib, and it's really helped me a lot, which is for my side, I just let go my diabetes. So that's the only reason I believe that juice diet for 10 days, it looks like, oh, just the 10 days, but if you do it, there is a lot of kind of disease that going to be cured, or definitely you're going to have an improvement. So let's just go for it and let's go on a juice diet. How are we going to do it? Juice diet, what we have it is for the 10 days. But a lot of people may be thinking, oh, I'm not able to do it for 10 days, and maybe I can do it for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 6. It doesn't matter how many days they can do it. But I definitely like to know, please try it at least. One of these days, you will be reaching your goal. But if you don't try, then you won't get it. So please try it. So the first day, there will be the 10 days. So 1 to 5, we will be on a juice diet. On 5th day, which is, of course, we just going to post everything, and we're going to have a meeting Tuesday, 7 to 8 o'clock, every Tuesday, just like before. And anybody has any issue, definitely will do it. So from 1 to 5, and on 5th days, on a 5th day, we're going to do nirjara, which is we're not going to drink even water. But if some people cannot do it, then go ahead and continue with the rasaha. And from the 10th day also, more likely we'll try to do nirjara, but if we can't do it, still is okay. But still, I can tell you 1 to 10 days, please try very hard to go on a juice diet. If you can, mono juice is the best juice, and Deepak Bhai will explain you why we should be using the mono juice. But if you can't do the mono juice, that's not end of the world. We're going to go for whatever the juice you like it. I have quite a few recipe or quite a few different juice, because sometimes we don't like the same juice, and that's why we don't survive for 10 days. When you're trying for the few days, or like when you are a brand new or second time, third time, still you need to try like a different juice. And if you can't do the juice, just in case you're so hungry, then try to eat the same kind of fruit what you are going to have a juice. So if you are having a grape juice, then if you're really hungry and if you say you want to choose something, then you can have a grapes. You can go ahead and try to eat the grapes. If you do all these things, maybe in a couple of days or third day, you say, oh, I can't do the juice diet, so I'm going to quit. If I were you, I will not quit. I will go with the salad or raw diet or fruit diet or different juice or smoothie. There is so many things. You can call me personally. I will explain you. More likely it will be the same effect or little less effect, but at least we did something. And when we are doing a juice diet, make sure you do morning and evening, 2 times enema. It's very important. And everybody knows by now why. So first, Deepak Bhai can, if you want, Deepak Bhai, go ahead and explain your, for about 4-5 minutes, mono, why we have to use it, and then I will go through with the schedule, how we going to have a juice. You want to go for Deepak Bhai? Can't hear you.
So the reason Punita Ben is going through mono juice selection is very simple. When you drink or eat anything, when it hits the stomach with the help of brain and liver, it decides that what kind of food you have eaten, what kind of chemical that food contains. So brain takes time to analyze the chemical structure of the food, and then it decides what type of enzyme it should release. Enzyme is nothing but digesting juices. Okay, so in Indian language we call it as a pachak ras. So it releases it, and the reason pachak ras, the role it plays, it breaks down the food, and when it breaks down the food, then it gets coated with that pachak ras, and then it goes to the small intestine. This whole process is known as a autophagy, where it goes into your in fact your small intestine. What it does, it basically presses it, releases it, presses it, release it. So it moves the fiber or food forward, doesn't let it come back. Okay, that's what it starts. Okay, and that process starts after you eat or drink, after 90 minutes. Okay, so in between, if you keep taking again, it will stop again. God has made such a nice body, it stops, the digesting system will stop, and it will wait for 90 minutes in free time, and then it'll start again. Okay, so that's what happens. Now, so first day it takes, let's say, brain and liver to release this pachak ras for almost hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Next day, if you keep taking same juice, mono juice, then what happens is it takes 5 to 7 minutes. It releases it. The juice get absorbed in your system from stomach only. Usually, nutrient gets absorbed in a larger intestine. In this case, because you don't have a fiber, Purnita will explain to you when we make a juice, why we filter it, why we take the fiber out. Fiber doesn't have any nutrients. Fiber makes body work so hard to process it and getting it out, and you saving body energy not to do that. And so if you, let's say you drinking juice, and the juice gets absorbed in a 20-30 minutes, you get charged, your body gets recharged. The rest of the time, what the body does, the free time, all the cells of the body, it goes in and do the detoxing of the body, and plus it does healing and repairing the body, because human cells are very smart. They know where the repair areas are. Dr. Hippocrates, the guy who invented a medical science, he said if the body is in optimum condition, it can repair any disease by itself, provided you allow them to do that. If you keep eating, then body's 90% energy gets to digest and getting it out of the system. So you are allowing body to go and repair itself, detox itself. And most important thing what you're doing with the juice is you making your body alkaline. And alkaline body, alkaline blood, there is no chance any of infection can live. Okay. Now, so somebody asked me a question last time, how do I know my body's alkaline or not? You can't keep taking blood and testing every day. So the best way to do that is you can buy the pH strips from any of the medical store, and when you pee on it, it will tell you whether you have alkaline body or you have a acidic body. Go ahead. Go ahead, Purnita. Yeah.
Thank you, Deepak bhai. Okay, what we're going to do which is first week, our fast start like a 7 o'clock the day before, which is intermittent fasting. So next day, as soon as you wake up after 6 to 8 hours, then we're going to have a green juice. And everybody know how to make a green juice, and they all have a recipe, and so that's fine.
You have a video, right? Also on our website?
Yeah, we also have a video, yes. And then 12 to 1 p.m., which is either in between time sometime, because somebody wake up 6:30, somebody 7, it's everything is different. So in between 12 to 1, we're going to have a green juice. And most probably people going to have a question, how much green juice I can have it? If you really asking me, when we went to the seminar with Chauhan Sahib, he was forcing us to drink it like a 4 to 5 cups. And when you think you can't drink it, then you push it one more, and then you have to use the bathroom right away. Basically, what we are trying to do in the first few days, we are trying to cleanse our body, detox our body. So it's very important. So there is no limit, in short, how much you can have a green juice. You can make your stomach full. It doesn't matter. You can have it. In with 2 to 3 o'clock, 2 to 3 p.m., we're going to have a fruit juice. Fruit juice, I believe, because we want to lose weight or we want to detox, especially what my belief is, try to have only 16 ounce. Don't drink so much fruit juice. Fruit is not like our, you can get a vitamin and some like energy level is going up and some kind of vitamin. But still when you are going on a detox mode, so I prefer not to have so much fruit juice, is maybe 16 ounce. Then 6 to 7 p.m. there will be a fruit juice, or you can have a green juice, or you can eat the fruit, whatever the fruit juice you have it in the afternoon, you can eat that one. Either one will be fine. But try to have instead of the fruit or solid food, just have a green juice. Oh. And after 7 p.m. the next day, at the same like regular. So very sorry, my God, they're just taking my. What kind of fruit?
Purnitaben, I have a question for you. I don't have to have a fruit juice. I can have a carrot juice, right? I can have a vegetable juice. Is that true or not true? If I choose to do celery juice and a Loki juice, can I have that for 7 days or 5 days, whatever?
Yeah, any kind of juice. Is a green juice is much better. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, but if you don't like the same juice or something, then you can have you can make a different juice, and like orange and strawberry mix is really tasty. Second one is apple, pineapple, orange, and ginger. That is also like a very tasty. The third one is the grapes, strawberry, blackberry, and ginger. That is also tastes very good. And if anybody wants any recipe, and the last one I really like it is a pineapple. And a pineapple, you also can make it in a Vitamix. You can just cut the small pieces of pineapple, take the 2 cups of pineapple, then put the 1/2 lemon, 1½ inch ginger, little bit ice, 1½ cup water, and salt is the option. And mix it up in a Vitamix, and then you filter it. Tastes so good, and you can put some cumin powder. Now I think we're going to open for everyone who has a like questions.
Okay.
So
can I add something here?
Yeah.
Purnitaben?
Yes.
Yeah. When you are drinking mono juice, please don't mix two fruit together. Okay. Mono juice being whatever fruit you choose, stick with that fruit for 24 hours. So mono juice diet for 10 days. And Purnitaben said, if you get tired, let's say you decide to drink orange juice, then orange is the only juice you're gonna make. Because when you mix up the juice, then body, again, mind and liver has to work so hard to come up with the enzyme to break down 3-4 different combinations. So what she asked earlier, she asked us to do that. Take whatever juice you like, but mono juice, single fruit. Mono means single. So whatever juice you decide, that's gonna help you, the body to decide faster and digest it faster, and to do cleansing quickly, detox quickly. I just wanted to add that. Yeah.
What I gave you the option for the like a 10 juices, like a 4 or 5, because sometimes people don't like the same taste and they say, oh, I'm going to quit. Instead of that, even I have a tomato juice also, because sometimes you feel like, oh, you have a curry. So, but still you are doing, and that's my purpose. So you have an option.
But what I'm saying,
you can change.
Yeah. What I'm trying to say is, a mono juice is a mono juice. Okay. But if you want to drink grape juice, for example, 2 to 3 days or 4 days, and then you want to change it, you can change it to orange juice, or you can change it to melon juice. but one fruit at a time. Don't mix it together. And if you're making smoothie, then you can have a 2-3 fruit juice together, fruits together.
Melon is not going to work in my juice diet because melon is a pulpy, and you're not going to lose weight. So please don't use melon.
So is watermelon juice is considered?
Yes, people do juicahar with the watermelon juice. Yes, they do.
Watermelon is very tasty actually, right? And
Yeah,
people love
the
it.
best thing is like if you make a 4 cup of watermelon, just and 4 mint leaves and 1/2 lime, and mix it up. And you don't need to add water in this one, and then filter it.
Yeah.
And then you put little bit, just cut the pieces of those mint, tastes very good, and put the black pepper and cumin powder. Very tasty.
So let me ask this question for clarification for both of you. Number one, you said mono juice, and I understand mono juice means one juice per day. That means if I'm doing watermelon.
No, mono juice means one item juice.
One
Mono
item
juice
juice
yeah.
for that specific day. Then second day, another item juice. Third day, another item juice. No, so kindly, yeah. So that is one point. And second point was, so kindly clarify that. And second question was, the certain juices would we consider alkaline or acidic? Like tomato juice, if I take, would not it be considered acidic versus watermelon juice, which may be considered as alkaline? So these two questions, yeah.
Okay, Deepak, wait 1 second. So you can't have a 1 day, try to do it like for the 2 days. And if you want to like do any kind of, if you have any disease and if you want to do very strictly, then I have done the same juice for 10 days.
Okay.
Because to get the better result, everything is depend on the person. I gave you all these options when you don't want to do it, or you don't have any disease, and you just want to make your body alkaline or something, then you go for whatever something is better than nothing. That's a baby step.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
But your recommendation is the same juice all 10 days to get the best results.
Yes, like in my case, I like to use at least 4 to 5 days, even though I don't have any disease, because I want to follow the same if I can.
Okay,
How
understood.
about in a green, Punita? How about in a green juice? In a green juice, we can mix it up, right? 4 or 5 items.
Yeah, you can mix all those things, but remember, you besides the green grapes, you don't need to add anything in the green juice. Anything you use which is transparent, so that will like go in your blood right away. So don't use totally like a kale and all those stuff. No, amla is the main thing.
Amla, spinach, ginger, lemon.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Very basic items. Okay.
Yeah, the same thing what we have it in our video. That is the main thing.
Okay.
If I can add something here, if it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So mono juice, guys, God has made a human machine is one of the finest machine there is. So when you take a mono juice, then it goes in a body, and whatever body nutrients body needs, it converts into that particular chemical. Let's say if you're deficiency vitamin D or you're deficiency vitamin B, one juice will convert into whatever chemical body needs, it'll convert into it. When you do, I have proved that. For 10 days, I stayed on a sugarcane juice, and on a 10th day, I got my blood tested. I was in a center in every nutrients. The blood test allows me to test, right? You know, your lipid profile. And I asked Chawad Sahib, I said, how that happens? He said, do you believe in a God? I said, of course I do. He said, the elephant, what does he eat? I said, he eat grass. He said, how come is he deficient in protein? Is he deficient in vitamin 12? I mean, B12. Is he deficient in vitamin D? God, if you stay with one mono juice, it will convert into whatever deficiency you may have in your body, it will convert into it. Okay, guys? And So
And-
two main thing Punitaben said, which we all need to pay attention, is take a mono juice and then enema twice a day. Okay, and first enema after you go to the toilet, and then you take the enema, and the second enema you go before you go to sleep. So anyway, that's the two things you got to do, because
let's open
if
for
you
the
don't do that,
question.
you won't experience the benefit as much benefits. Go ahead. Go ahead, Punitaben.
Somebody has a question. Let them ask the question now. That's easy.
Um, um,
Kanchan Ben.
yeah. So can I take the 2 times cleansing juice, like lunch is a green juice and evening is a kheera, tomato or kakadi? Can I take the 2 times the cleansing juice?
I don't know about tomato because we don't use so much. So how much is effective? No idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Can I answer that question, Punitaben?
no exercise, no gym, right? And the rest of the body.
I am doing exercise, so I would say no, I'm going to do it.
Okay.
You can do a little bit because you don't kill all the energy. You are getting enough. Maybe you don't go too much, yes, but you
Okay.
can do some exercise. Even we were there, we were walking for 1 hour, 2 hours, even in the seminar in India.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, on a tomato side, Punitaben, the reason you don't want to mix, tomato is a fruit, okay? You don't want to mix. Green means it needs to stay with the green vegetables. That's what it is, okay? If you want to add tomato, you're not gonna add tomato in your green juice.
Next question.
Punita, I had a question for you. All your recipes are so yummy. The fruit juices recipes. Do you have them on the website or?
No, I just wrote it this afternoon because the way how I used to make so many different juice. And sometimes
Okay.
I'm tired. So like I make a pineapple juice, or even you can make a mango juice. It's mango with the water. So we're not going to use so much pulpy. So you don't gain so much weight, but taste comes so good.
So I was wondering that if we can have all the recipes, I can help you write it down and post it if you are busy. But all your recipes are so yummy, Punita. I just love them. So I'm just wondering that it would help everybody if we have all the recipes in front of us.
I can call you tomorrow and let's write it up, and I'll give it to Mangla and she will post it in our website.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Yeah, I have a question, Punitaben. Jai Satchidanand.
Yes,
The Nariyal Pani, Nariyal Pani is considered to be a juice or not?
Sometime Nariyal Pani giving you a lot of gas, and especially when you are not having any food or anything, so be careful. But still,
Yes.
like green juice is, you can ask Sejal because she has a lot of issue with that.
Yeah, I got a lot of gas because of Nariyal Pani, coconut water. Yeah.
Yeah, and this ganna juice, what you call sugarcane juice, can we add a little bit of
Then try to take,
lemon,
yes, you can add lemon. Yeah.
lemon and
ginger, both. Lemon and ginger.
both? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that will
And
work
one more
really.
question. Sorry to interrupt. One more question is that if we store it for a few hours, is it okay? Because
In the refrigerator?
if we freeze, keep it in the fridge, yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, Chauhan said, when somebody has even diabetes, they used to give us the same juice for 10 days for ganna juice. 10 days. And even that person, the diabetes was so low, and the diabetes will be gone by then. With the same juice. Because if you don't add anything else, but if you add something else, then it become a different chemicals in our body.
Mhm.
Otherwise, ganna juice is really good too. Yes.
Okay, if we can take it as a plain, then it's fine. That's what you say, right?
Yeah.
Without adding even lemon or anything.
No,
Yeah.
you can put the lemon and ginger. Definitely you should.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Jai Satchidanand.
Sure.
Did you also talk about the carrot juice, Punita? Carrot?
I like the most is a carrot juice whenever I do this, because carrot is like a king of all the juice. So if you can handle the carrot juice, that is the best juice. But I also add in the carrot, which is lemon and apple and ginger, and taste exactly like a ganna juice. So what happened, like when somebody's we are new, and even with the Chauhan Sahib, they also used to give us this carrot with apple and orange also. When you are hungry, like with the green juice, and when you have this juice, and if you have it in the afternoon for the lunch and for the dinner, you will be surprised, your stomach will be full.
Amazing, amazing. We'll
Yeah.
have this experience this time, okay?
Yeah, try that, is really good.
So, Punita, if your stomach is very sensitive, then what fruit do you recommend so that you don't get a lot of gas, or your stomach is kind of easy? Which fruit is easy on the stomach?
Watermelon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
watermelon is the best one.
Mhm.
Yashwant Bhai and Yatri Ben have some questions. Yashwant Bhai, go ahead. Yatri Ben?
My question is about the chaat masala. I like to eat drinking the juice. So in the afternoon, if I'm having the same fruit, let's say if I was doing apple juice only. So if I eat apples in the afternoon, because I like that crunch and I don't like sweet all the time. So what is your thoughts on either black salt or chaat masala for just the taste?
Anything from outside, when I'm working so hard, I will not use it. But if you want to make your own chaat masala, which is you can make it like you can take the black salt and cumin seed. The taste comes very good. I also put a little bit limdo, very little, or moringa powder, something, and you can make it your way, but don't put anything from outside, because since 10 days you are taking a juice. I will not, because we don't know what kind of preservative, or maybe they put the lemon, what do you call that? Is coming some kind of, remember, crystal? They put it in that one and as a lemon. So just make your own.
The citric, the limbuna
Citric
full.
acid.
They put the
Yeah, limbuna
citric
food,
acid.
that's it.
Yeah,
Yes,
Citric
limbuna
acid.
full.
So that will be preservative, and when you are like fasting, you don't want to put anything from outside, because it is
Yeah.
so difficult already for us. From morning to like a 10 days, we're going to be on the juice. So you don't want to make a silly mistake.
Yep.
That's what I would do.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
So Punita Ben, like you said that this carrot apple with lemon and ginger is very filling. So can we have that as an afternoon juice between two green juices?
Yeah, if you're using the green juice, then you can eat the apple, is okay. But if you are drinking some different kind of juice and then you want to eat apple, that will be a little difficult. Then it's going to
No, my question was not about eating apple. My question was about drinking the juice of carrot, apple mixed with the ginger and lemon, which you
Yeah.
said that is quite filling as a juice.
Right.
So can we have that? Because it will be a mixture of two things, apple and carrot. That will do in juice fast?
I am taking that way. It's still my
Okay.
was on. Yeah. And
That's
even
great.
in the TB, like they were giving not only like mono is like when you really have a disease and you like cancer or you're something, then you being so hard on your body. Otherwise, to 10 days to survive, it will be difficult. It's not that easy. So you want to
Right.
make sure that it has to be tasty. If you
Are you
don't
okay?
like this carrot juice,
Go
then you
drink water.
I have
Go there.
so many
Mama,
different
Papa will give you.
juice.
Okay, okay, that sounds good. And you said that after 5 days of juice, we have to fast for 24 hours.
That will be good. So you can try
Yes.
that. And if you can't do 24 hours, do it for 10 hours, like a next day, all the way to the 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It doesn't matter. But still try to do 24 hours, then that will give you more result.
Yes,
Everything
yes.
is up to your body. Like, see, even I can think whatever I like it, it doesn't mean my body will take place and say, okay, I'm going to do it, Punita. No.
Yes.
So brain and body doesn't work together. But only thing,
Are you
you have
doing
to
okay?
give us such a different kind of taste that body just goes on the same, and we can accomplish our goal.
Right. Got it.
So-
Thank you.
And Pudipakbhai, you have done this 10 days Rasahar, right, in the past?
Yes, twice, yeah, with the Chavan Sahib directions, yes.
Compared to fasting, how hard it is and what was your experiences? Would you please share with us?
Yeah, when I did the first 10 days, he did a grapes juice seminar for 10 days. And out of 350 people, 50 people were chosen to just take, not 15, 20 people were chosen to take only sugarcane juice. And he just wanted to prove a point that taking cane juice, I can cure your diabetes. And I had a diabetes problem, I had a sugar problem. So I went and got the blood lipid profile run on a first day before I started sugarcane juice. And I asked him, how much can I drink? Because I did not drink sugarcane juice for almost 20 years because of I was worried about the diabetes. So I never, so he said, no, drink as much as you want. So I drank quite a, at least first time I drank 6 glasses because I really loved it, really loved it. But what happens is it plateaus. First day I drank 6 glasses, then it become 4, and then become 3, and then become 2, and then become 1. Then he made us, on a 5th day, he made us do 24-hour fasting. We did a Nirjala on 24 hours, and then we broke fasting with the green juice again. So in the afternoon, we took green juice, and the evening at night, we did the sugarcane juice. And on the 10th day, my test results were very good. My fasting sugar was 56, and post sugar was 96. So my diabetes was gone in 10 days. So that it really worked out. But one other thing, people talk about chaat. You can use chaat if you, just to make it tasty. But sodium. You try what Puritaben said rightfully. Try not to put any more chemical in your body if it's not necessary. So that's what you're saying. So I liked it, but I was really hungry in the afternoon. I was really hungry, waiting for next juice time. I was really hungry, but slowly my hunger started going down. The thing that really helped me the most was doing a enemas morning and the evening. It really helped me quite a bit. And when I did enema, my hunger was slowly going away, and it came to the point that it went away. On a 6th or 7th day, when I drank the green juice, guys, after 15-20 minutes, I had to run to the bathroom. What he tells me, my plumbing from top to the bottom was clean. All my piping, all my detox was completely done. Okay, so that really I experienced, and I tell you, it experienced to the point where with the detoxing I was doing, it was smelling so bad that I had to run away from the, after flushing, I had to run away from the bathroom. But so that much toxin came out. So what Punitaben is doing, it's basically helping your body to get the toxin out of it. Okay, that's what it's trying, she's trying to do. And I think that's a very wonderful thing to do. And she experienced the benefit. We all experienced the benefit. Yeah. So anyway,
this one we are doing for like once a year for 10 days. Amazing that you're going to lose so much weight. And when you take the enema, you will smell, and it's really bad. Everything will be so much clear and so quick, and your skin will come out, and you're not going to feel hungry so much after a few days or so. But it helped me a lot. And me and Deepak Bhai did seminar in Nasik, which is all from NRI people, remember? And they all came and they got also benefit and they really like it. So
I think
but we-
Alcira
we
may
were
be on a line. You
together.
may want to ask her. Yeah.
We were together. So like we go for like in the morning, like we walk together and then we talk, we watch movie together and we dance together and make a laugh. So it becomes so easy for us to do all these things. Then you forget about that you are fasting. So the best thing is like it will be difficult because when you by yourself, but do any activity what you like it, then you will see the difference. And one day, like if everything open the COVID, we should be doing the seminar, like we should have our own shibi here.
The
Punita,
question
can
is-
we, Punita, I
Just a
have a
minute.
question.
Just a minute, Minaben, just very important clarification. So as far as Rasahar is concerned, it is not fasting. That means basically you are going to fill up your stomach to your satisfaction. Whenever you feel hungry, you drink, but only that mono juice. So you are not going to suffer under hunger all the way till the day comes when you are going to do the 24-hour fasting. Is that right understanding?
Absolutely right, Ajay, but I can like promise you the third or fourth day, forget about hunger. You don't even want to see that juice. So you're not going to drink that juice. So that's you're not going to. And you just have a couple of, then you will like the green juice more because they put like, in India, like they put gourd and all those things. Like when we have grape juice, oh my God, it's so yummy.
Yeah. sorry, Minaben. Sorry, Minaben.
No
I'm really
worry.
sorry. Go ahead,
Yeah,
please. Yeah.
sure. Punita, can we meet more often on a Zoom during these 10 days instead of
Yes.
only once? Will
That
be
would help.
really helpful.
Yes,
Ajay,
yes.
Ajay bhai, can we set up? Hello?
After how many days
discuss
you
with,
want to meet?
Every 3 days or something to keep us
No,
going?
that will be too much. I'm working. No. See, right
Is
now
it
I have
in-
a lot of phone calls.
No,
How
it's
about,
a 10
how about
days.
5 days? How about 5 days?
We are meeting in a 5 days, right? That will be Tuesday.
Yeah, we
Before
We are meeting.
fasting or after fasting?
No. Every Tuesday, if we meet and if anybody has any question, we can do it, or because there won't be too many questions.
And we
Like
are
one
always
time-
open on the WhatsApp group, right? You can put your questions, your experiences on the WhatsApp group.
Yeah,
So-
and the
But
best way to reach me, call me.
Okay, I will.
And 2-time meditation is a must, right?
Meditation has nothing to do with this juice diet.
Okay.
But for me, most important is like do little bit walking so you don't get like a tired. You don't want
Okay,
to lose your life. Oh, I'm drinking a juice, so I can't do anything. That is, I'm that kind of person. Meditation is not like you have to do it, but you do with your spirituality. You can do it. But walking, I would say must, or do the 5,000 step for 20 minutes. That must. Everybody should do it.
Punita, I have a question. Do we continue with our regular medicines or should we stop?
No, continue with your medicine. There is no question asked until your doctor say.
Okay, got it.
Yatriben,
So,
you have
Punita-
one question? Yeah. Let Yatriben has raised the hand for
Sure.
quite some time now. Yeah.
Somebody asked a question, and I always start the Rasahar with the intention to do the 10 days. And like I said, the taste buds are like Punita just said, after a while you don't want to drink the juice. I do the green juice in the morning, and then by middle of the day I want to really eat something. Plus I have to cook for the family, so even if I am doing Rasahar, I'm making food, and so it's very much a distraction for me. So that's why I asked if I can have the chaat masala, but I really want to stick to the plan this time. I'm really committed to it. So that's why, since I don't have any other issues with my health, just weight loss would be good. Some health, benefits from the Rasahar. So I'm going to try to do, everything I can just so I can finish the 10 days. and do the enema for twice a day. That's why I asked for chaat masala. I'll make my own chaat masala before the
But-
first so that I can have chaat masala in
But
case if I need
definitely
to.
you can have your chaat masala, no problem, but make your own.
I'm
And
going to
other-
make it. Yes.
Yes, and other juice I can tell you really good is a pineapple juice. I'm going to write the
Okay.
recipe, but the taste like so yummy. Oh my God, with this like a cup and everything and have like a, just drink it. Oh my God, it's happy. You can have a
Okay.
same every day, like instead of let it go, but anything you do, Yatriban, and for everyone, don't just like force your body and you have a big round face and you are so unhappy and you having a cup of your juice and you so I can't have it, but I'm going to take it because I have to be healthy. But you are not happy, then you won't be healthy. So make sure you first happy and then healthy because
Okay.
you will be there.
That's why I wanted the chaat masala. Thank you.
Definitely you can have it. In my baby step, do it. It's nothing wrong.
Thank you.
Punita Ben, Punita Ben, I have a habit about the tea.
That's a really tea is not a good idea because every time when I want to improve myself, we let go 10 days tea. Yes. And Joe once I was with me on a 9-day and he took me to somebody's house or Kiran house. And I told his wife, can you make some tea for me inside in the kitchen? And Joe once said, no, you're not going to have it. So,
How about
no,
not
but-
even once a day, half a glass a day, morning time?
It's not a good idea because of it, you're going to detox your body, but you will be your own doctor and judge. If you can't live without that, then just have it after green juice in the afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
But milk, you put very little, don't put any sugar, so you may not like it. That's what I do. I practice.
No,
that
I don't use sugar, and my milk is very less in tea.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, thank
Hello,
you.
Punita Ben. I have a question.
Yeah.
Can we drink the coconut milk during the fasting days, during the juicing days?
No, I will not because coconut has a lot of then you're not going to lose your weight and I don't know how it will be effective because juice diet, everything has to be transparent from my side, which is like you have a grape juice or anything, but I don't know, coconut has a lot of cholesterol and some other stuff. So try not to drink coconut milk. No milk. Only juice, any kind of juice. Yeah.
Okay.
Yashwant bhai, unmute and ask us question, please. Go, we can't hear you. Can't hear you. No sound.
Hello.
Yashwant bhai, can you speak louder or can you turn your, unmute your microphone?
Maybe he can write down in the chat the question.
Okay, we can ask someone else if they have any question.
Yeah, Punita, I had a last question, Punita, that
Yes.
here we don't have to worry about seasonal fruits, right? Like how in India they have seasonal fruits, but here, like, I don't know, is this a good season? Usually watermelon comes in the summer, right? But right now?
But if you have any kind of problem, it still is a water and is a transparent, so that will work for us because America is a little bit different than over there.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
sure. Okay, thank you.
But your question was very valid. You want to take a seasonal and regional fruit. Don't take it because in US market, they bring the fruit from other countries, but that's not
Yeah.
seasonal. Your local season, that's what you want.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
I would like to add something about fruits. If you see a label on your fruit and the label starts with the number 4, it is with chemicals. If it label
Oh.
starts with number 9, your sticker on the apple or pineapple, whatever the sticker, if it is with number 9, it has not been treated with any chemicals. I'm a food scientist, so I look at labels for that. But if it starts, the label starts with number 9, it is organic, and it is, so even if you are getting fruit from other countries, you want to make sure that it has label number 9, because then there is no chemical or fertilizer used in treatment of that fruit. So that way you are not, if you're not eating seasonal fruit, and if you're eating fruit from your local grocery store, it's coming from all over the world. So you want to make sure that at least if you are going to be buy fruit from your Ralph's or regular grocery store, look for the label starting with number 9.
Good to
This
know.
was
Thank you,
good
Yatri.
information. Thank you so much, Yatri Ben. That was absolutely
So
right. It's a big
somebody asked a
difference.
question to Chawan Sahib saying that how would I know it's a regional and seasonal fruit? Because in America it's very tough to say that. So he gave the rule of thumb. He said whichever fruit is cheaper, that's a seasonal, because it's so cheap they can't afford to put any chemical on it, and it's a plenty is available. Otherwise, then otherwise it's not a seasonal fruit. Seasonal being season in your country, in your local geographic location where you are. Okay, right? So seasonal and regional, and that's what you want. And of course, cheapest fruit what you can buy. Yeah.
Also, if you go to a local produce market, local produce place, they don't buy it from big suppliers of fruit. So they, like if you go to like a local ranch or local fruit stand, you are going to get
Farmers
healthier.
market? You mean like a farmers
Local
market?
farmers market, they don't use as many, like they are not allowed to use because they are local, so they want to produce it and sell it. So they are usually not having enough money to add so much to that product. Plus it is fresher. They don't store the fruit for a long transportation and all that. So
Correct. Very correct. Very correct.
Punita Ben, I have a question. Can I go ahead?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. Punita Ben, I am in India. So what juice? Because now it's already 41, 42 degree now started. So what juice you recommend? Because
What kind of fruit they have it in India right now?
so one is the ganna juice is going on, and the second one is this watermelon.
So
And
I would
afraid
use
that,
what?
yeah. With
Ganna juice is
ganna juice,
much better because they cannot add anything. In watermelon in India, sometimes they inject.
yes.
So you have to be careful where you can get it. For ganna, I 100%, since you are doing 10 days, use the ganna juice. That is the best one.
Yeah, okay. But I'm diabetic patient, so I should not get into the diabetic. That's only the, because what Deepak Bhai described is a different
Right.
experience. And yeah, okay.
Anil Bhai, that
Thank
is
you.
not only his experience, but Chawan Sahib has a proven record.
Okay.
It is like anybody has a diabetes, they made them to eat 10 days only mango, nothing else. Or 10
Oh,
days.
that's great.
Yes, but don't mix it up with any other fruit, then it's going to jack up, then you're going to say, oh my God, why these things happen? So only green juice and only ganna, then don't add any other kind of fruit.
And no other food is to be taken, right?
Right. And
No other food, nothing. Yeah.
no,
Got it.
and especially you don't eat any cooked food. If you eat
Yeah.
food, that is not a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Because then your
No,
body
we'll stay on that.
alkaline.
We'll stay on that.
Yeah. Okay.
So another
Punita, is orange juice okay?
What about our green
I have a
juice
question over
practice? Do we
here.
stop our green juice practice?
What is the
Punita, question is, at present we are taking green juice every morning, every 12 or 1 o'clock.
Right.
So when we start this program, and suppose I choose this carrot, orange and apple juice together with ginger and lemon. Suppose I choose that, then I stop taking the green juice at 1 o'clock.
No,
That's
no, no,
okay.
no. Green juice, you have to take it first. It doesn't matter which way you go.
All right, all right, all right.
You know why we are using a green juice? You need to understand there is a gooseberry, amla there, and amla
Right.
going to work as a
એક
roto-rooter,
મિનિટ હમણાં ઊભી રહે.
and that will cleanse your body. So make sure everyone should have a more towards to the green juice than fruit juice. That's why I told you, have a like a 5 cups of green juice, or even the afternoon. Nowadays, even I have a dinner, I have always green juice with that. Because as much as green juice you drink, then you eat less food. And the best thing is that cleans your body.
So, so reconfirming it. So suppose my plan is that at 1 o'clock I start with the green juice, and then whenever I feel hungry, then I take that carrot juice.
Right.
And
Wait 2 hours, Ajibai, please. Minimum, you got to wait for 2 hours or more before you take anything. Give a green juice a chance to do the detoxing, please.
Okay, understood.
Yeah,
So
you're
after 2
gonna
hours-
stay hungry. You're gonna stay hungry for a couple of 3 hours. That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Then take a juice of whatever juice you decide to drink.
decide to do. Then that's how the practice. So every day that green juice is my first thing that I consume, that I put in the body. First thing is the
After intermittent fasting, correct.
understood. After intermittent fasting. Very good.
But
Thank you very
Ajay
much for
bhai-
clarification.
Ajay
Yeah.
bhai, right now we are taking only 1 glass of green juice. So
Correct.
what I'm going to do, which is when I have a juice like a 1 o'clock or so, at least I will try to have a 3-4 cup, even though I sit for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, because you keep drinking until you want to use the bathroom. So make sure you drink more, then you can survive for 2 to 3 hours, not to have another juice.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Thank you.
Punita, and one clarification. That means when we do the rasahar, we should stay on a green juice as we discussed, and then we take the ganna juice.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Very
I thought
important
I don't have to take. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So pretty much we all done, then we'll go ahead and post all the recipe tomorrow or day after.
Yes, and would you also little bit give us clarification about that fasting, or that you want to put it for the next Tuesday? The fasting,
Next
that means
Tuesday. That
next
will be
Tuesday.
the 5th day. Yeah.
That's fine.
Will- Because it's 20, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't want to
Ajay bhai, will
overload
you
it.
send some write-up or so? Just what we discussed, if you summarize it, because sometimes, we misunderstand and we don't have. So if you can send us very summarized
Yeah,
way,
I would
this is how you
require
can do
one
rasahar.
volunteer to do that. Yeah. So what we will do once this meeting is done, there will be recording that we'll be putting up on the YouTube. So that is for our reference. But if for the write-up, I would need one volunteer who will go through this. Last time Jeff did it. This time I want to request anybody can do that volunteering to go through that and write it up, and then we get the write-up approved by Punita Ben and Deepak Bhai, and then after we'll post it again on our website. So I need one
I can do
volunteer.
it. Ajay
What's your
bhai, I
name?
can do
Pinal
it.
Ben?
Pinal
Okay.
Ben, Pinal Ben, yes.
Okay. So Pinal Ben, I will be in touch with you. Thank you.
Yashwant bhai, is your microphone still works or doesn't work? No, it's
Yeah.
not working.
Yeah.
I-
Let's
Deepak bhai, I have a question. I can eat.
Now can you listen me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can. Yes, we can hear.
I
you. Go
removed
ahead.
my.
Yeah. Yeah,
One
we can
minute.
hear you. Yeah, go ahead.
I have to change that selection.
Yashwant bhai, go ahead. We can hear you.
You can hear me
Yes.
now?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Now, Deepak bhai, see, as you said that you were taking only juice and your blood sugar dropped down. Because when you take fructose, fruit sugar, if fruit sugar has a tendency to drop your blood sugar. If you drink sucrose, then blood sugar will go up.
Correct. Very correct.
Because it is proved by science that fruit sugar always help you in getting down your sugar.
that is correct. Second thing is,
You
don't
can eat mangoes, you can eat banana, you can eat anything, and your sugar will not go up.
yeah, you need to
Only
carry
you have
the
to, you have to stop your diabetic medication also,
correct.
in case if you take in excess.
Yes, yes. But
Right.
one of the catch here, Yashwant bhai, is don't mix your fruit sugar with a solid food. Because those
Right.
two molecules binds together. When it binds together, sugar does not get processed, and your sugar level will jump up pretty high. So
Okay.
Dr. Gantri, Michael Gantri, he talks in his book Plant Paradise. He says if you keep taking fruit and a fruit sugar in a mono juice, what Punita has been teaching us for last 1 hour, then you will be fine. Your sugar will be processed. It will bring your other sugar down, your body sugar down.
Right.
So yeah, so that's what. Roshan bhai, go ahead.
Right, right.
So my question
you.
was, I can chew grapes in mouth and just drink the juice and throw away the
Fiber.
throw away the fiber. Yeah,
Fiber. Yeah, fiber.
that way I can do juicing. Is that okay?
Roshan bhai, you can do that, but if I can give you recipe, which is I will put it, it's so tasty, and when you filter it, you don't have to take it out like this way. Because we are talking about 10 days, but in the evening or even during the daytime, if you feel like to have something, then you go ahead and have your juice and throw your fiber out. Yeah. But still you should have a one fruit juice because you can't do very long time. Otherwise in 10 days, you're going to lose your energy level.
Okay.
Punita, orange juice is permitted?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And I'm going to give you recipe for that. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. So we start from Friday, huh?
Yeah, so we all done, and okay. Good luck to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Punita, thank you so much. Deepak bhai, thank you.
Thank you, Punita Ben. Thank you, Punita Ben. Deepak Bhai, thanks.
Thank you.
Anyone
Thank
has
you,
a
Mang.
question, then my number is 714-812-2422.
Thank you, Punita.
Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Punita Ben. I will call you.
Okay, all right.
We starting fasting on 1st April. It's a Thursday.
It's a
Yeah.
Thursday, not Friday. Right.
It's April
Thursday,
Fool's
okay.
Day.
April Fool.
No. It's not April Fool. It's a real one.
Yes.
Yes.
So Punita,
So we get
when
back
the
from
diabetic
tomorrow,
patients are given, hello, when the diabetic patients are given the sugarcane juice or mango or any other such sweet fruits, is there any restriction on the quantity they can consume, or they can consume as much as they feel like?
You
As
can
much as
consume
they
as much as
like.
you want, Kiran. You can consume as much as
Okay.
you want. And I've done that. I've done that myself for 10 days.
Okay.
And I've done 10
Okay.
days, 2 seminars. And one was for the sugarcane juice. The second seminar was on a grape juice. And I took grape juice all day long. And as much, but your hunger and your sugar craving will go away. So first day, Chawar said, drink as much as you want. I went almost 10 to 12 glass of sugarcane juice. Then slowly, I couldn't even drink more than 2 glasses at the end on a 10th day.
So
Because
there you
your
were not allowed to add.
needs of your body will filled up.
Okay. So there were you allowed to add ginger and lemon in sugarcane juice?
Yeah,
to-
they did. Yes, we added ginger and lemon. Yes, we did do that.
Okay. That sounds good.
Okay,
All
thank
right,
you,
guys.
everyone. See you next
Thank
week.
you.
Thank you, Punita Ben.
Yes, bye.
Good, good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Bye,
Thank you,
Punita.
Punita Ben. Deepak
Bye.
Bhai,
Bye,
thank you.
Meena.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Sidhu.
Satyakam,
Bye.
Ajay, bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Punita. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Penal Man.